Hey everyone, today we're going to go over how to create a customer inside of Datagate. So on my screen right now, we're already in the customer section of the online Datagate portal, and we're going to go over two different ways to bring customers into the portal. So the first option you have is how to bring them in automatically with the ConnectWise, Zero, or AutoTask integration. So if you have any of those integrations set up, you'll be able to click on the little gears here, click on the sync sign of the respective integration that you have, and it's going to sync all your customers over. The other option we have is manually, which is what we're going to go over today. The difference is you would usually use the automation if you have the integration set up, so that what's going to happen is that it's going to bring your customers over from that integration into this portal and keep all the information the same, and it saves you the time of having to enter all the information manually. If you don't have any of those integrations set up, we're going to go over how to create a customer manually. So we're going to click on the plus sign right here. And we're going to go ahead and enter a company name. So I'm going to do a demo. An address, make sure you put the service address of the company. This is what it's going to use for the taxation. And then make sure you put invoice attention of, this is usually the name. The delivery method by default is usually email. Make sure that the activist is clicked on, and make sure that the use site zips as postal codes for tax engine is set up here. It needs to be checked in order for it to work. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and click on the save, and you'll see that it's going to create a customer account for you, and you're going to have your different tabs. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a customer inside of Datagate. And thanks for watching. Bye.